Hello, good people. Greetings from Engramium Plus, your go to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a professional looking website using Google Sites. It's completely free, super easy to use, and by the end of this video, you will have your own website live. So, without any further ado, let's get started. To start with the Google Sites, you need to go to sites.google.com. I will put this link in the video description. When you go to these sites, you will get an overview like this one. There are some pre-made templates. If we click on the template library, we will get more templates. For example, if we click professors, it's a pre-made template that has page called bio, teaching, writing, interviews and media, and officers. If you like this one, you can start editing and publish this website. Templates are nice, but I usually recommend starting fresh. To do that, let's click on the blank site. Before that, we need to click on sites home. Let's remove this one first. Now we will click on blank site. So this is our blank site. Let's put a title in here, Engramium Plus. So this is our title. Now let's add a subtitle, for example text box. As you can see, you go to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. So as you can see, we have added a text box. Now you would like to add this text box under the title. So we will click this one under the title. Now if we would like to change the space, we can click in here and we can shrink the size as well, but it's not that professional, so let's keep it this way. And we can change the text and the style as well. For example, let's keep it subheading and let's change the font into Leto normal, and let's change the site title to Leto from Leto bold. So this is something that we have changed in here. Now let's add the site name and add a logo. From here we can upload the logo. So we have uploaded the logo, and alternative text is Engramium Plus. Now add a favicon. Let's click on upload from here. If you don't know what favicon is, the favicon is the little icon in your browser tab. For example, this one is the favicon. So we have uploaded the logo and favicon as well. Now let's click this one. Now let's an image, or we can change the header type. For example, if we click the header type, let's large banner and text only. So let's add the large banner, and from here we will upload the banner. So this is our banner image. Now we will add some section in here. So let's put the image first. So this is our image. We can redesign it. For example, we can make it large. We can change the size in this way as well. And from here we can crop this image. We can insert a link. We can duplicate as well. For example, I have duplicated the image, and we can delete this one as well. So now let's add a text in here, text box. So this is some text description. So let's put this text in here. For the text, we can copy some text as well. For example, let's copy this text. By the way, you will get 20% coupon on Dukaan if you use these links from the Ngramium deal space. So back to the video, we will put some text in here as well. To do that, let's add the text. Let's paste this one. Now we will add a button. If you go to insert, you will get the button, divider and spacer as well. Let's add a button, get Dukaan Pro. The link will be, insert the link. So I'm not liking this button style, so make it large a bit. And now we'll put this link in here. Now as per the design purpose, let's add some spacing, for example spacer, and move it in here, and it will add some space. And we'll duplicate this one and duplicate the spacer, or we can add the spacer and move it in here again, so it will add some spaces. Now add some footer. For example, let's add some text first, Ngramium Plus. After that, we will add the social link. That will be youtube.com/Ngramium. After that, we will x.com/Ngramium, and we will add the Ngramium website. So our footer has been ready. Now we have seen the basic stuff. Now if we want, we can change the alignment. For example, let's make it left. And if we go to themes, we can change the themes. For example, simple, diplomat. It will add some predefined template as well, vision, level, impression, and so on. Now that our home page is ready, now we will create some pages. To do that, let's go to page, and from here we can add page. For example, YouTube playlist. So for this one, let's change the header type from large banner to title only. In here we will click insert, and we will some content block. For example, this one, let's add 2 more. So we have added 2 more. In here, let's add the playlist name, Ngramium Plus. You will get tutorials on WordPress, Google Sites, and Shopify as well. Now in here we will embed the YouTube. So let's click on YouTube. So let's copy this one, copy link, search for YouTube. So let's add this one. The YouTube video has been embedded. Now let's click on Ngramium AI. All about AI and its uses. Let's click this one, click on YouTube. Let's copy this link from this one, copy link, insert the link in here and paste it in here. So insert. So this is what is N8N. And finally, let's click on e-commerce, all about e-commerce, and we will embed the YouTube video. For that, let's copy this one again and paste it in here and enter. For the sake of this video, I am adding the same playlist or same video. Now, as you can see, we have automatically added this home and YouTube playlist. If you would like to change this one, let's click this one and pages. From here we can hide from the navigation. If we click this one, it will be hide, and we can show in the navigation as well. Now if you would like to create some other pages, for example service 1, let's put some block 1 2. This is service 1. Let's create another page called service 2. Done. And these are being added on the navigation. Now we can add this service 2 and service 1 under the playlist. For example, if we hover this one, as you can see, it has been added as a drop down. Let's copy the service 1 again and move it to the service 1. So in this way we can add the navigation as well. We will add a contact form. So to that, let's create a new page called contact, and in here we will go to insert and we will insert Google Forms. So as you can see, we don't have any forms, so we will go to forms.google.com, and from here we will create a form. So let's create a form and give it a name, test form. So for now we will publish this one, publish, and we will reload in here again, and we will add the forms again. As you can see, our form is ready. We will click this and we will insert this into our contact form. So our form has been added. Now we will adjust this one as per our design. Let's make it some big, and let's increase the size as well. So our basic website has been ready. If you go to pages, as you can see, our contact page has been added by default under the YouTube playlist. Now we'll click this one and move back into a separate menu items or navigation. As you can see, our contact has been added on the navigation as well. Now our website has been ready. At any point, if you think that you need to do something else or you have done mistakenly, you can make it undo. From here we can redo as well. Before publishing the website, you can check the responsive as well. For example, if you click on this preview, if you click this one, it will preview from the larger screen. We can see it from the tablet, we can see it from the mobile as well. So as you can see, this is our home page. From the breadcrumb menu we can check the YouTube playlist as well. Now we will click exit preview. Our basic website has been ready. We can click the home page. This is our home page. Now we will click on publish, and in here we can put the website or web address. For example, sites.google.com/view. Let's add the site URL, Ngramium Plus. So this will be our website address, and we can add some custom domain or our own custom domain as well. We can manage who can visit or who can view our website, anyone, and we can, if we click on manage, we can manage it as well. For example, draft restricted and public site, anyone on the internet can find and open it. If we click done, and we can visit the website URL and we can publish this one. Search settings, we can request public search engine to not display my site. We will not click this one. So let's publish our site. It will take a few seconds to publish the site. Our published site has been ready. Now we can view the published site. This is our published site. So this is how easy it is to create a professional looking website using Google Sites. Now we will go back to our Google Sites dashboard. From here we will get some other settings. For example, if we would like to share with others, we can get a publishable link from here as well. And if we click on settings, we can change the navigation mode top, and we can site, let's keep and click on publish. Got it. So this is the view. If we click the navigation, and we have changed the navigation. Now let's go back to our website dashboard. From the settings we'll get the navigation, brand image, we can configure view tools, we can configure as well custom domains. From here we can configure the custom domain. For example, if we connect domain, it will ask our domain, and make sure you own your own domain. After that, few verification will be needed. After verifying your domain, you will be able to add this website to your custom domain. So after that, we can add the analytics. We can enable the Google Analytics as well. We can add the announcement banner. We can enable the show banner. We can add the banner color, announcement message, button label, links, and we can make it open in a new tab as well. We can configure the visibility as well, whether the banner will be shown or the message will be shown on the home page only or the all pages. Google website is live. For example, we can go in here. This is our live website. It's honestly one of the easiest free website builder out there. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comment what kind of sites you are building. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.